Model, 63-plate Ford Transit 2 TDCI-125PS 350L-hour Jumbo SRW Trend rear-wheel drive 94 km engine knocking no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 94,823. MOT, the 16th of August 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI,